Finally, I'm in Pondicherry. Yesterday night a little incident happened. My clutch wire got detached. So I found a mechanic nearby, and after that I went to Royal Enfield Pondicherry. They checked everything and they changed brake pads. Huge thank you. Even though they are busy, they did my work first. So yeah, this is currently next day. I actually went for sunrise. I couldn't see anything because it's super cloudy, so came back, took shower. So all set to explore Pondicherry. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing that I'm gonna do here is to have some French breakfast. I skipped my complimentary breakfast at hotel and straight away going to a place called Baker Street, where you will find some amazing fresh food. I think this vlog is going to be both places and food. If you are a foodie watching this, watch till the end. I'll try to cover all good places in Pondicherry. So I came to this place almost 7-8 times, and I know almost all streets here because it's near to Tirupati and it have beautiful beaches and good food. What else you need? So I always come to this place. Somewhere here. Yeah. So finally I'm here. This is the Baker Street. Let's go eat some good food. So that's the place, don't miss it. Everything is freshly made and it smells so good. I had hot chocolate, cinnamon roll and cheesecake. So to connect the storyline, I'm going to White Town, where you will see a lot of French architectures. So yeah, also to take picture for my Instagram. In case you are not following, handle will be somewhere here, go follow it. I think this is old building, dude. Kada? Looks good. Library it is. Oh. And I think we reached. These are all French architectures. As you can see, that is the France flag. And you will see graffiti all over these places and beautiful houses like this. So we'll stop in nice location and we'll shoot some B-rolls. So check this White Town. That's the White Town. In case you want to Instagram pictures in Pondicherry, that's the place for sure. Right now I'm going to a place called Outsari. I'm bad with names, let's call it Outsari Lake. I covered almost all places and beaches in my previous vlogs, so let's explore something new. After that, plan is to go to nice beach and my lunch in ROL Bakery, which is a nice place again. And time is almost 1:05. Yeah, we'll have some late lunch because I had a lot of stuff for the breakfast. So it is almost 7 kilometers from main Pondicherry, and it takes 20 minutes because of a lot of traffic. So this is the lake here. It's really huge. Let's see if we can do boating or not. Took around 20 minutes from White Town. After reaching this place, I have realized it's a super huge lake, as you can see. So there are no tourists around. If you want to spend some peaceful time, you can come here and spend some time. So maybe I'll fly my drone around, check out the footage. So that's the lake. I didn't do any boating. I have less time. I have to cover beaches. So time is what, 2:30, and I'm going to Oro Beach. So that's the plan for now. And if you want to spend some peaceful time, you can come here. Otherwise, don't waste your time. There are so many beaches to spend time on. And from here, Auroville is 9 kilometers, which will take 15 minutes because road is good. And can't wait to just relax in the beach for some time. Auroville Beach, you have to take a right. Okay, yeah, it's a bit sunny but it's not hot. Let's go this way. Here at the Oro Beach, spending some relaxing time, and these are the views. Check out this place. Beautiful beach makes everything so calm and relaxing. So now it's lunchtime. I'm going to Auroville Bakery, which is another 4 kilometers from here. It's lunchtime. I'm having as usual chicken burger, chips and salad with some lime juice. So yeah, I also took some cookies and vanilla sticks from this place, which will be good. So plan is to go back to room, fresh up, and might go to Rock Beach now. I wanted to show a lot of food places, but in one day it won't be possible. So in next vlog I'll cover that places. I'm planning to chill today, so let's see how it goes. And tomorrow I'm leaving to Tirupati. I came to Rock Beach to just relax for some time, and this place will be so vibing at night, so I'll just show you around in few clips. At Rock Beach, really vibing, right? Came back to my room. I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this travel vlog. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more videos. I know I didn't cover much of food places because I'm so full, so stay tuned. Tomorrow I'm going back to Tirupati. I'm planning to cover Mahabalipuram on my way. So yeah, as always, stay blessed. Peace.